Yo, what's up guys? Steffanina here. I'm back for another tutorial, and today I got a special guest.
Hey guys.
You're supposed to wait until I did the smoke bomb.
Oh, my head's like a...
Anyway, I got a special guest.
Hey guys.
There, see, so much better. We're gonna be teaching you my new choreography, the 7 Rings ARIANA Grande. And we're having a special contest for this routine, so once you learn it, make sure you upload your covers, tag me, tag Tati, use the hashtag below. And we're gonna be giving away some of my merch that's not even out yet. If you guys wanna get on the pre-order list, hit the link down in the description. It's gonna be the first link. Put your email in. It's free and we'll let you know when it drops because we're gonna be giving away a bunch of stuff on that too. And what we're gonna be doing is reposting our favorites onto the Epic Dance Videos account. I'm gonna give you guys a shout out on my Instagram, and we're gonna be sending some of you guys my new merch. If you put your hair up in an Ariana ponytail, that's extra credit. So we're gonna learn the choreo now, right after this transition. 7, 8. All right, so we're gonna mirror this video for you guys so that when we say left, it actually looks like the left on the screen. And the first thing we're gonna do is actually step on our left, and you're gonna go money, money. So your just hands are literally going like this, and you're stepping left, right, and then you bring your foot in, come down, you're gonna answer the phone, click, then you're gonna bring it up and over, hang it up, whoever was on there, you're not cool with them. You hang up immediately. Then you're gonna roll it back. You're gonna go roll, roll, throw. And then you're gonna step back down and your hands are gonna come up to hit down, boom, and that's gonna knock you over to the right. So it's really important that when you hit down, it's like a boom, a little hit and set. And then cards, so you're swiping the money. You come to here, you're gonna come up and then over and catch to your other shoulder. All right, so that's kind of a lot.
Yep.
Already. So maybe let's go back from the top one time. We'll give you guys like kind of the rhythm and some counts to help you with the time, and it goes 6, 7, 8. This is 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4. Then you're gonna drop this down. You're gonna go 5, 6. So you're just pivoting like on this groove. And then you catch this 7, then you're gonna come up with your right arm over 8 to catch here. Then you're gonna do this walk, just the legs first. You're gonna fall onto your right foot. So you're gonna re-step right, then you go left, then right, then left. Good, now your arms, basically you're doing this, but you can kind of freestyle it. You're gonna pull them open and up, up. Is that kind of how you're doing it too?
Yeah, just
yeah.
Like going up slowly.
Yeah, and the way she does it is really good. Like you'll notice how each time she sits into a foot, she kind of like sits into her hip and adds a little bounce to it too, so it's heavy. So it's like 6, 7, 8, gang, gang, da, da, eh. Then you're gonna step on your right foot. You're gonna go right foot. You're just grabbing that 2 times, doom, joom. Then you're gonna push this over the top, whoop. Then you're gonna fall back on your left, gi, ga, da. So the footwork from here, one more again. You just did da, 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 da. Twice on your right foot, you're gonna dig down, right, and then you come up and over the top. When you fall back, pull this right elbow up, so you go click, ta, ta. So then you're gonna reach and pull in. Then first just the legs. The legs are going in and then to the side. And then your head at the same time is gonna go right and then center. So it's kind of weird when you do it like slow, but fast. I know it's easy. First time I was like, but when you do it fast, it actually feels a lot better. So it's 7, 8, doom, da, goom, ga, yeah. Then she says up. You're gonna bring this up here. Then you're gonna drop down and go, yeah, yeah. And same sort of vibe here. You guys like can do it sort of your own style, but the level is really important. So once you drop down, your right hip is going to the front as you rise up. Then you're gonna jump back and go, boom, on the 1. How you feeling?
This is like a signature mat move.
I know, I love this move.
Good.
Bang. On like a big bass, it just feels good. You're like, ah, da. Yeah. I also like, if you want to like add a little extra energy, if your left leg kind of kicks at the same time, yeah, it makes it just look really aggressive, which is what Ariana's all about, being gangster. All right, should we go from the top?
Yeah.
Slowly, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, and phone 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, 4, down 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold the 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 7, 8. Yeah, yo, we kind of killed it. All right, so if you need that part again, go ahead and rewind. Otherwise, we're gonna go on to the next section because we're almost there. Y'all killing it. So you did back on 1. When you land this, you're just gonna go right arm, left arm, and then you step forward on your right and go smack. Hit this out of the way. Then just the legs first. You're gonna go back on your left foot, then back on your right foot. And you notice how we're popping the other heel. So once you're here, you step back on that left, your hands are gonna pull in as your heel pops, and then you're gonna push back. So first one is fists, like 2 uppercuts, king, then push them off. Yeah, yeah. So it's clap, it's yee, gee, then you're gonna give a little leg kick. Yeah, okay, leg kick. It's not that I couldn't kick my leg that high. It's more like, yeah, style preference, like, you know? Whatever. So I'm gonna really get like, yo, what's good? Or you can do like Tati, go ahead. Yeah. All right, so here's your choice. Deep, deep, your leg kicks up, whoop, and then when you land, no matter what you're doing for the leg, you have to land in this. You're saying like shh with your right hand, and you just push off of it, and then you catch this and you're like, ooh, like you really did that? That's the kind of vibe. So you did from here, connected, 7, 8, we hit 1, 2, 3, 4, you go, ha, sh, ga, then 2 chugs, your right knee is gonna come up, you're gonna go, then from here, this leg is up, you're gonna pull your right elbow back with that right knee, right, left, head. So this is actually really easy, but it's gonna kind of happen sort of fast here. So from this no, you're going pull, you step pas de bourrée. Right, left, right hand and right foot, left hand to your chest, right hand to your head. She's gonna say shoot, basketball vibes, you. Come all the way down, and when you get here, this hand is gonna keep tracing up all the way to your neck. She said, look at my neck, so you can help you remember that step. So at the same time, you're gonna go lift that left leg, then you're gonna come here, flip your hands through to go over, to go pull down, and grab it, and look. If you're doing it with somebody. If you're not, you can just give like a little, what's up? But if you're doing like a duet, you can look at your partner. So let's go over that last part again. After you do from the shh, you go over, catch it. This is pull, right, left, shoot, and you lift, and she says jet. So when you do these hands, all we're doing from here is just folding our wrists in and then opening it up on jet. So look at my neck, then you pull down and grab it, look. All right, we're gonna go on because we're almost to the end. You guys are so close. You're gonna step on your left, you're gonna go, boom, boom. And honestly, this is just hype. So don't worry about like, are we doing it exactly the same or which direction? Just hit. Then you're gonna push around with your right foot and your right hand, boom. You're gonna step out on your right and go high and low. Then you're gonna bring this around, down, and open your hands. So if you do my tutorials, you've probably seen this step before. This from here, you're bringing your right hand on top of your left, opening them up, and then closing them. Then from here, you're gonna kind of go like, show them how you do it.
You're going like I want it.
I want it, I got it. I brush, throw. So you'll see here, same sort of thing. Like we're trying to do similar stuff, but it doesn't have to be exactly the same. It's more about your attitude and brush, chill. Then from here, you're just gonna go right, left, over your head. So your hands, same kind of deal. It's kind of like a money vibe again, right? Yep. So she's talking about money a lot in the song. Her hair, she bought it. My car, I got it. My whip, my jet, my pets.
I got it.
So how you doing? Money, over your head. And then this is all freestyle from here. You just do whatever you want.
Play with your hair.
If you got a pony, you gotta do something with it. Go ahead, Ariana. I was gonna wear my pony, I was gonna get mine for the video, but
he was gonna buy it.
We forgot it. Just natural. Yes. Yo, so we made it to the end of the combo. That's the end of the routine, guys. Y'all killed it, I hope. If not, it's okay because it's a hard routine and you learned it in like 10 minutes. So we're gonna go back from the very top.
Let's do it.
First slowly, and then we're gonna try it up to tempo so you guys can get ready for the music, yeah? We go 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and phone, push. 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4. Groove, groove, and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Push. 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3, tick tock. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Hit. 5, 6, 7, 8. Shh. 2, 8, 8. 5 and t. And 1, 3. Pull. 6, ta. Look. Groove, groove. Push. And ta. 7, ha. I want it. And throw, and brush, and yo, and money, and around your head, freestyle. Hey, if you want to do this, this is what we did, yo. And then we did something stupid, I don't even know, a little whoa, a little rock, and that's it, you guys got it. Now, that's the version to practice until you have that, because it's nice and slow, the counts are there, you can catch up. Now, once you have that down, we're gonna try at full speed this time. Full speed from the top, ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4. Dot, and 7, 8. 1, 2, 8, 8. 5, 6, shoot. 1 and 2, tick, good, got 5 and 7, and 1, 2, 3, hit. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 8, 5 and D, and 1, and hey, and zoom, and top, yup, A, push, and T, top, shoom, got 1, and throw, and shoom, and ya, and hey, and head, and freestyle, 5, 6, yup, and freestyle, do something cool, and your video like, yeah. All right, you guys got the whole routine down. Now it's time to go check out the original video with the music below and upload your covers. Remember, we're doing a contest for this one, so Tati, what should they do? You
guys should go post your videos, make sure to tag us, and then we'll be picking our top 5 faves. You'll get merch. Who knows, you might just get a ponytail.
Oh, could they get your ponytail?
This one's expensive.
I'm like, here you go. Good job, I loved your cover. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell to turn on notifications because we got new tutorials dropping every week. We'll see you back on the channel soon. Go watch the other videos.